Hello buddies and welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a pin or a pattern or any other type of security lock for your phone. For that you want to go to your settings. Where are my settings? My settings are here. Go to, where is it? Security, and then go to Screenlock. You can choose between different screen lock types. None, I can't really recommend that because random people could have access to your phone. You don't want that. Swipe is my current screen lock. That's also like just a swipe up and then your phone is unlocked. Also not really a security. You want to choose a pattern, a pin, or a password. A pattern is you just draw like something and then you have to draw it to unlock your phone. Pin, normally just a 4 to 6 digit number that you put in, and a password. This is the most secure one because you can choose numbers and letters and special digits, so that might be the safest option, to be honest. I'm going to choose a pattern, and now to add security, we're gonna draw a random pattern. Draw this one. Next. Then we want to draw it again to confirm. So now that means when your phone is locked and you get messages or anything, that it will show all the notifications. It will show sensitive content only when unlocked, or it doesn't show any notifications at all. I don't really mind, show them all, so we're gonna go with show all notifications. Done. That's it. We go back, we're locking our phone, and then want to unlock it, and see, now we have to draw our pattern, and then it's unlocked. That's how easy it is. Hope it helped, hope you liked it. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe. Hope to see you next time. Bye.